A recent news article came out discussing the World Health Organization's stance on human genome editing. While they said that genome editing is an exciting new avenue for faster and more accurate diagnoses, more targeted treatments, and the prevention of genetic disorders, they also acknowledged the risks related to germline editing. So, what is germline editing and what are the risks associated with it? This infographic highlights the major considerations of the technology, including what makes it different from normal genome editing and the ethical considerations associated with it and the stakeholders involved. Somatic genome editing introduces a change in the DNA in a single cell type. On the other hand, germline editing introduces the DNA change in a sperm, egg, or early embryo, so that every single cell in the individual's body will possess that change. This means that while somatic edits are not passed on to the next generation, germline edits are. The reason that WHO classified this as a risk is not only because we don't know the long-term effects of germline editing, but because of the ethical dilemmas it poses. This infographic highlights some of these concerns, including the lack of consent from future generations, the blurry line between disease treatment and enhancement, increases in inequality between socioeconomic groups, and many more. On the other hand, this technology could provide life-saving care to countless individuals. And don't we have the right to enjoy the benefits of scientific progress and its applications? This infographic also highlights some of the major stakeholders involved in this new technology, like the edited embryo and future generations who don't have a chance to consent to these edits when they could conflict with their personal or religious ideals, and the insurance companies and the medical institutions who hold financial interests in this new biotechnology. I hope that this infographic will help you consider all of the different aspects and viewpoints of the new technology and will aid in your understanding of the ethical dilemmas it poses.